Good evening, fellow developers. Tonight we're gonna explore another carnival game, this time a ring tosser. You have a ring shape, you throw it around the earth, some bottles, and you hope it's gonna end up around the neck of one of the bottles, hopefully the one with the highest earnings or something. Why I chose this project? Because the ring is a non-convex shaped collider, and it will also be affected by physics, will not be kinematic, and non-convex and non-kinematic rigid bodies Unity does not support. And how are we going to do it? We are going to do it using something that's called compound colliders, and I'm gonna show you how it works. Basically, you have a bunch of colliders like a cylinder. Let's rotate it 90 degrees, and we'll keep the capsule collider on it, and we're gonna make a bunch of them. Okay, let's look from above. Close enough, I would say. And we have our cylinder. It's made of I don't know how many colliders, and obviously if we just hit play, they'll be stuck in space waiting for stuff to happen. If I add rigid bodies to them, they will be pushing against each other and fall. Right. So we don't do that, but we can do this. We make another object, reset it. Thank you, Unity. Select them all and place them as childs. And now if we add a rigid body on the parent, what do you think will happen? And I'm also going to place some cubes around here. Okay, look from the side and start pulling on them. What do you think it will happen now? They fell as a unit. Isn't that wonderful? I'm gonna show you something else. I'm gonna copy all of them, drag them outside, select the game object we made, rotate it, move it a bit like this. So these that I duplicated, they do not have a rigid body. They will stay in place. Let's drag the game view out of here. Whoop! We have a bit of a chain. Let's do some more of this. Duplicate the one with the rigid bodies, rotate it like this, duplicate it again. Oops. Okay, some more. Some more. And now we have a chain without hinge joints. That's actually what you might say the FPS drop, but I'm gonna surprise you. No, it didn't. It was updating the value. That's why the FPS dropped. So this shit is very performant, and we have non-convex shaped rigid bodies to play with now. What about that? So maybe we could keep this one shorter. It's not exactly about how to make a throwing game. It was more about using compound colliders to approximate non-convex shaped rigid bodies. Yep. Thank you so much for the attention, and see you tomorrow.